Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Weekend is here, so am I with a brand new video. It's been quite some time, right? We haven't done any PC build videos on the channel, and that is why I thought of deciding, making a brand new 2021 edition 50k PC build. The last time I made a 50k PC, that was at the beginning of 2020, right? So I thought let's do a 2021 edition. See, 50,000 is like the perfect spot for a lot of gamers out there who want to build their dream gaming PC, and that is why I'll be doing this. See, for 50,000 actually you can build multiple configurations of gaming PCs. Like you can either build a Intel edition gaming PC, or you can build a AMD edition gaming PC, or you can build a PC using the newest latest generation components, or even using previous generation components. And all these configurations will give you different kind of results for the same 50,000 rupees. That is why a lot of you people are like confused, like which one should you go for? And that is where I'm here to help you out. See guys, what I've decided is I'll be doing like multiple configuration of 50k gaming PCs, so that you can watch all these videos, compare and know which is the best PC that you can build for this price. Today we will be building Intel edition 50k gaming PC. Next time I'll show you AMD edition gaming PC for the same price. So guys, I'll be using Intel's 10th gen CPU to build this PC. Now everybody loves gaming PCs and a lot of people want to have them, right? But not everybody can build their own gaming PCs at their home. Now that might be because they might be beginners and do not have proper knowledge on how to build a PC, or they don't want to take a risk with their brand new components. And that is where pre-built PCs come into action. There are a lot of brands in the market that can actually build PCs for you, and out of them Bitcart is quite popular. So guys, today I'll be showing you a pre-built 50k PC from Bitcart. I've personalized and configured this PC and ordered it from their website, and it's already in the house. So these guys are quite popular in making PCs in Delhi, and they have their online website called Bitcart where they sell PC components, and they also make custom PCs depending on your requirements, or they also have pre-built models. Like suppose if you want a 1080p gaming PC, they have a model for that, or suppose you want a PC especially for video editing purpose, they have a model separately for that, and stuff like that. Pretty nice service guys, you'll have to check out their website. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. And not only that, what I really like about the brand is they also offer a special service where they let you see a live video webcam feed, like how they are building your PC once you order it. That is also a pretty nice feature. So keeping that aside guys, this is not the first time I've ordered something from them, so it's quite familiar for me. I've actually made like a couple of Bitcart videos in the past. This might be my third or fourth PC that I've ordered from them. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just unbox it and show you how the PC looks like. And by the way, the PC came in this sort of packaging, very nice packaging, solid packaging guys. And also on the inside also they've used some eco-friendly thermocols and foam material, so that your PC is fully safe even during shipping. So I'll just get started with the unboxing. Alright people, here's our brand new pre-built gaming PC from Bitcart. It came in this sort of box packaging. Packaging looks pretty solid, and this PC came all the way from Delhi to Hyderabad in proper condition. I spent almost like 15 to 20 minutes just unpacking it. They used a triple layer thick foam material, so nothing can happen to your gaming PC during shipping. And here it is, our custom pre-built gaming PC from Bitcart. Looks like they put the gaming PC in the actual box of the case used itself. So guys, this is the case that I'll be using for our build. It's called the 200TG RGB mid-tower case, and it's from Ant Esports. It's a pretty good mid-tower case on a budget, has nice RGB looks, and even comes with a tempered glass panel on the side, and costs around 3000 rupees. Don't worry, I'll tell you about all the components that I've used for this build and even their prices as and how we proceed in the video. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly unbox it and check out the PC. Oh guys, look at this. Whenever you order a PC from them, they not just build it but rigorously test and inspect it before actually shipping it to the customer. So you won't have to face any issues later. I really appreciate that. And what the heck, there's even more packaging on the inside. Oh god. Phew, finally done with that. And here is our brand new custom pre-built PC from Bitcart. Damn, looks good, right? Along with your PC, they also give you all your component boxes and paperwork as well within the package only. They were all flattened out like this and neatly hidden in between the thermocol sheets. So now let me just open up this side panel, give you all a closer look on the inside, and talk about the components that I've used for the build. I've told you right, this is the Intel Edition 2021 50k PC build. So I'm using Intel's new 10th Gen i3 10100F. 10100F is an excellent CPU for gaming on a budget. It's a 4-core 8-thread CPU with a base clock frequency of 3.6 GHz and a max turbo frequency of 4.3 GHz. Costing around 8,500 rupees, this 14nm processor offers value for money performance. Just wait till the benchmarks, you'll only get to know how this CPU performs. The motherboard I'm using is a very affordable motherboard from Gigabyte, the H410M. It's a micro ATX model made for Intel 10th Gen CPU, has H410 chipset with LGA1200 socket, supports dual channel DDR4 RAM with 2 slots, and has decent memory and connectivity options. Now don't expect too much from it, it's a very simple and affordable board that'll get your job done. Out of all the budget, the highest I spent was on this graphic card. We are using a 1660 Super GPU from Inno3D, that too the most budget-friendly model out there. With 6 gigs of GDDR6 memory, this card can offer excellent 1080p gaming even at max graphics settings. Coming to the cooling section, here we are using a super budget-friendly air cooler from Deepcool, the Gamax 400 V2. It's a 120mm air cooler with 4 copper heat pipes and is quite sufficient to keep the Intel i3's temperatures in check. The power supply I'm using is from Cooler Master. It's a 450 watt 80 plus bronze certified PSU. See, if you don't have any plans of upgrading in the near future, then this is more than enough for this build. Otherwise, I would recommend getting a 550 or 650 watt PSU depending on your requirement. I totally forgot, the RAM we are using is from Corsair. We are using two 8GB RAM sticks in a dual channel configuration. So we have a total of 16 gigs clocked at 3000 MHz. And for the storage, I'm using only a 240GB SSD from WD. You can increase the storage as per your requirement. I'll leave that choice up to you. So that's it. These are all the components I've selected for this custom pre-built PC. Now let's power it on and see how this baby looks like. Oh my god. Damn guys, look at this beauty. Not bad, right? I know the RGB is a bit less on it, that is because we wanted more performance, less aesthetics for the price, right? So we had to compromise a bit on that. But anyways, just look at that case from Anti-Sports. It's got a beautiful RGB lighting on the front that is easily customizable with just a click of a button. And also have a look at those beautiful components on the inside. The Deepcool's air cooler offers a blue LED lighting that really complements the overall build. Just check out these shots and I hope you all enjoy the eye candy. Alright, time to put the PC to a test. I know you all have been eagerly waiting for this part, so let's do some benchmarks and see how this PC performs. We'll be playing some AAA title games at 1080p resolution with all the graphics set to Ultra, starting off with our all-time favorite GTA 5. As you can see, we are right now playing GTA 5 at 1080p resolution with the graphic options set to very high settings. So let's see how it goes. What the heck? Is that for real? Just look at those frame rates! Holy smokes, on an average we were getting around 160 FPS at 1080p very high graphics. That is crazy! Like seriously, I think this is the best performing 50k gaming PC we've ever made on the channel so far. Excellent gaming experience with buttery smooth gameplay. See, this is what everyone desires, right? Paisa vasool performance. On this build, you can play most of the AAA title games at 1080p very high graphics without a sweat. Let's also play one more game, one of my classic favorites, Doom Eternal. We're playing this game also at 1080p ultra graphic settings. So let's check out the results. Oh boy, now that is what I'm talking about. Gaming is like Maska on this PC. We were easily maintaining around 150 to 160 FPS and sometimes even hitting 200 FPS as you can see in the video. I've told you right, Intel's new 10th Gen i3 is an excellent value for money gaming CPU. Pair that with the GTX 1660 Super, kaboom! Gaming beast on a budget. You people will have a great time playing games on this configuration. Okay guys, time to wrap it up. Let me tell you about the pricing. I'll also give you some alternative suggestions to components to further reduce the price in case if you're on a budget. Let me just open up Bitcart's custom rig configuration page. Here you can select all the components you want category wise and the price will drop on the bottom of the website. Let's start with the cabinet. As you can see, I have selected Ant Esports 200TG RGB case that costs around 3,450 rupees. If you don't want RGB, then select any case around 2000 and save almost like 1500 rupees here. CPU is from Intel, the i3-10100F. That costs around 8,590 rupees. Next up is the motherboard, H410M from Gigabyte priced at 5,950 rupees. See, you can compromise on cabinet, RGB, storage, but don't compromise on CPU and GPU. Right now, GPU prices are very inflated due to a shortage everywhere, so you might not find the exact model that I used in my video. You'll have to check for whatever is available in maybe other brands or other models and go with that. My twin X2 non-RGB model 1660 Super from Inno3D costed only around 21,000 rupees in India. If you don't have this much budget and you want to save some more money, then instead of this, you can maybe go for a 1650 Super and save almost 6,000 rupees over here. Going next is the power supply. We are using a 450 watt 80 plus bronze certified power supply from Cooler Master. In the storage section, we are using only one 240GB M.2 SSD from WD. Coming to the RAM, that is from Corsair 16GB Vengeance DDR4 clocked at 3000 MHz costing around 6,690 rupees. And lastly, coming to the cooler, Deepcool's Gamax 400 V2 Blue LED edition costs 1490 rupees in India. So if you add up all this, the total budget of this build comes down to 53,410 rupees. And this, my friends, is the ultimate performing gaming PC you can build around this price range. If you do the same build but replace 1660 with 1650 Super, use only one 8GB RAM stick and much cheaper case, then you can bring down the overall price by almost 9 to 10,000 rupees. So it all depends on how much budget you have and also your requirement. If you want, just let me know and I'll do that build also and even compare both of these together in terms of performance. Time to wrap it up guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.